Hey, to adjust the touch controls of the Sony WF-1000XM5, first of all you have to open the Sony Headphones application and then move for System. Next, you will have to scroll until you find Change the Touch Sensor function. Click here on this Settings icon, and now we can do this for the left and the right earbud. So I'm gonna do this, for example, for the left one. So as default, we've got function set for the ambient sound control. And we can tap once to turn on noise cancellation mode and ambient sound, double tap for the Spotify, and so and so. And if you want to change it, click here and move for the playback controls. And now instead of this single tap for ambient control, you've got play and the pause. So as you can see, that's how you can do this. And if you finish, click done in the right bottom corner. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.